In this tutorial, we're just going to go over the second math column, so that would be the NUM. You'll notice I have absolute value. I can round if I need to. I have a minimum and maximum. So basically, you're going to use that more for when you want to graph an absolute value. So say for instance, I want to clear that. Say for instance, I want to graph an absolute value. I would come over here and I'd scroll that, and then I would pick something like x minus 2. And then I can just graph it and see what's going on, and I notice that it goes in the positive direction. So that will help there. I'm going to also go ahead and do the third column of math just because, and that's your, actually I'm going to do the fourth column, which is your probability, which is your NPR. In this case here, I do want to make sure when I'm dealing with NPR and NCR that my biggest number, okay, so say for instance, I'm telling you that I have 12 members in a club and 3 of them can be awarded a prize, then I wouldn't care about order. But if it's president, vice president, and secretary, it would care about order. So I would put the larger number in first. I'm gonna pick the math. I'm gonna do the NPR, and then I'm gonna type in the 3, and there's my answer. That means if order matters, which means that ABC is not the same as BCA, then I'm going to have 1,320 different arrangements of this. On the other hand, if I tell you, hang on, let me go back out. If I tell you that I'm just giving an award for the same thing, maybe best attendance or best whatever, then it doesn't matter about order. All right. So in that case, I'm going to select the NCR. All right. In that case, I'll put the 3. And you'll notice there's a huge difference because this gets rid of ABC and BCA because those are the same. Because if I'm only awarding one type of award, then they're all 3 the same. So Peter, Mary, and John getting the award is the same as John, Mary, and Peter getting the award. So that's the difference there. The last one I want to talk about is the factorial. This one you may see every once in a while on the ACT as just an actual factorial, just like that. This is my factorial. It looks like an explanation point. And if I enter it, I notice I get 120. All that is that number here, 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. But it's a faster way of doing that, especially if it gives you like factorial of 90. And that's it.